Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix payment not completed on iPhone in iOS 15. So let's get started. So friends, the very first thing what you need to do is just open up setting app on your iPhone. Now tap on your Apple ID at the top of the page. From here, sign out your Apple ID and then sign back in at least after 30 to 40 seconds and check whether you have able to purchase. If this method doesn't work, then go for the second one. For that, go to screen time. On the screen time, scroll down to see content and privacy restriction and tap on it. Here, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. On the next page, click on installing app. Here, make sure that allow is selected under the installing apps. So friends, if this method also doesn't work on your iPhone, then go for the third one. For that, go to General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset, then tap on Reset All Settings. This will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. Click on Reset All Settings to confirm that you want to reset your all settings.